How do we create variable with bar chart in Excel? We have certain products, total sales. Based on this product and sales, we create this variable with bar chart. Here this is very effective visualization. Here this is the total amount of sales in terms of amount, and this width is the percentage contribution on the total sales. So this is the 30%, 27. So we can measure that what is the total value as well as what is the contribution on the total sales in the organization. So how can we create this variable with bar chart in Excel? Let's take this data in a new sheet. We remove this calculation for the time being. We calculate it again. So percentage, how can we create the percentage? So this is the sales of particular product and take the total sum of all the products. So we take the percentage, copy it down. Now we make it the round number. This is the fraction number, so we need to make it round. So we use the round function here, round. So this percentage is now round. Now we need to prepare a table to create our chart. Let's take this product in the column level. So I just here paste it as special and transpose. Okay, now we start from 0. So our first value is 30, means 30%. We make a round number, fix the cell and take 2 more times. Again we need to add this plus next percentage into 100. So this total 57, means 30 plus 27. Take 2 more times. So we need to do the same thing to reach up to 100. So we add 57 with this 15% into 100. Again 72 plus this 15% into 100, and this 87 plus this 13%. So up to 100, we don't need to take it twice, just we need to up to 100. Now we put this data, comic sales value, these two cells. Again we start mid, this mid value from the mid column, from the last percentage of the previous product. So here and here. So do the same thing, table for the last value in the table column and also for the first value of the table column. Now grocery, so last value of the previous product and first value of the grocery, and final product is our chairs. So last value of the previous product and first value of the chairs. Now we put 0 all other blank cells. So how can we put 0 all other blank cells? In a single way. So select the all cells, go to the find and select, go to special, select blanks. Now all the blank cells are selected. Write 0 and press Ctrl Enter to place 0 all the blank cells. Now just give a border here. Now select the whole table, go to insert, and here we use actually the area chart to create our variable with bar chart. So actually this is the area chart. Now this area chart is not like bar chart like what we need. So we need to adjust the axis, select the axis, right click, format axis, and select axis type as date axis. Now we need some formatting, remove the axis, remove the legends and also this axis value. So here we put custom label as the data labels, remove also the grid lines. So how can we put the custom labels here? So we need to first create the custom labels here. So how can we create it? First, product name combine with a space, and take the number here, this sales value, we convert it, the value as text, and takes the text format as this number format. Again we need to show the percentage, that's why we add a bracket here, space bracket, and we take the percentage here, percentage, and take this format, the percentage, close bracket, and for this bracket. So here we need a double inverted. So now here you see we create a custom labels here to place our each bar. Now go to the insert, take a shape as rectangular shape, draw it here, select the shape, go to the formula bar, equals, and link this cell. So now edit this shape, take outline as no outline, shape fill as no fill, and take the color as white, reduce the size as 9, place it here. Now copy this rectangular, paste it here, say paste outside, place it here. Now change the cell link here, this is the, for comics this is the E5, this is the E5. Now we change the E6 for the meat, E6, enter. So we need to format it again, so we can just select this format and place this format here. Now copy the rectangular again, paste it outside, place it here, reduce the size based on the bar. So here we change the cell link to E7. Okay, we format it later on, do the same thing for other cells. For the grocery, here this is the E8, copy it, paste outside and place it here and change it as E9. Now select all the rectangular, so go to the, take font color as white, take font size as 9, so this is also 9. So here this is our customs data label, and we can write as product, as title, product sales contribution. So this is our, so we can do one more formatting, select the bar, go to the format, take shape outline as white, so we can see there is a small white space in each cell, take the, select the bar, shape outline, take as white. Here we can also select each cell, each bar, go to the shape outline and take, select as white. So here we see a difference from each bar. So this is our variable with bar chart. So this is very nice visualization. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.